Send this to your bestie.
People, but nobody feels like you. So please don't break my heart. Don't tear me apart. I know how it starts. Trust me, I've been broken before.
Hey, your friend sent me here because, well, they haven't bullied you in a while, so I'm here to do it for them. Loser. Hey, your friend sent me here to tell you that, even though they don't say it as much, they really do care about you and you mean a lot to them. No, I'm just kidding. They actually think you're a loser.
Don't be so sad. I know it's hard sometimes. Stop and take a deep breath. I promise it'll be okay. I love you.
I was on Google looking at Ouija boards, and it says it's recommended for players over the age of 8. So let me get something straight. You need to be 18 to smoke, 21 to drink, but 8 years old to summon fucking Satan?
Send this to somebody. Send it. Send it right now.
Rayo.
Okay. I'm sorry for laughing, but I'm just laughing at you. You look like a monkey and you smell kind of funny.
JK, you are my best friend, only true.
You are my best friend, my only best friend. You make me happy, best friend. And guys are best friend. You'll never know.
Send this to an idiot. Roses are red, violets are blue. I want to slap you with a shoe. Please keep in mind, you smell like poo, and faces like yours belong in the zoo.